welcome to Letscookolet. Today I want to show you how to make a calzone. Yes, it's the different today I'm making calzone with four cheese calzone, and the cheese I pick, it's my own blend. It tastes amazing. And the dough here, I have it ready. I make the dough earlier. You can buy the dough from the store and the pizza dough, or you can make it at home. And I have in one of my episodes, if you check it out, I have an amazing pizza dough that I made, which is this one here. So we're gonna roll it about 7-inch round. Beautiful, here you go. Now you can use the egg wash on the edge, but me, I'm using here some water on the edges just to, so when you fold it will stick together. I'm using a diced mozzarella, shredded American brick, dried parsley flakes, and this give yummy flavor to the 4 cheese calzone. And I'm doing some feta cheese, fresh Parmesan cheese, now we're gonna fold like half a moon and move it on the side here, and or you can use the fork. And look what I'm doing here. And what you need here, just a little tiny bit vent. Make sure don't cut a big cut here, just a little tiny hole. Voila. Now let's put them on the side here. And let's bring the tray, and I just want to show you quick. Here I have some olive oil and Italian herbs. Brush the tray, and then I'm gonna put the calzone, so the herbs will be toasting at the same time and giving the flavor to the calzone. Now let's place it on the tray. Voila. And make sure you preheat your oven on the 450 and ready to go in the oven. Turn off. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at the bottom, the herbs. Nice. Now, remember the olive oil and the herbs we were talking about? Now you give it a nice brush on the top. It gives you the flavor and the glossy look. Smells so good. And of course you let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes before you serve it. And as I said, we didn't put any tomato sauce in it, or we're not going to serve any tomato sauce for dipping. What I'm going to serve for the dipping, one of the popular Italian dip, which is olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette, a few fresh thyme around, and of course the Italian olives. And let's place the calzone. Beautiful. And the other half for me to dip and give it a try. Wow, it's full of flavor, very light. The 4 cheese blend, it's my blend. Make it at home, and you see what I'm talking about. It's amazing. Olive oil, balsamic vinegar to dip it, and you can use it for school, for lunch, or you can slice it small strips and you serve it as an appetizer. Well, it's all yours. You do whatever you want, you eat it your way. And I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.